Back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easy edit video using a CapCut. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, at the bottom you just click on the template at the bottom, and after this, in here at the template menu, you can search the video you want to edit. Maybe you want to edit your video like this, okay, or you can edit your video like this. It's a many shortcut on this CapCut, so you can choose the template or the shortcut that you want. I want to try to add this one, so you just click this one. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the use template at the bottom. In here you just click on the photo, and after this, in here you can use the photo that you want to edit. Maybe this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the next at the bottom. Now you can waiting until the process has been finished. And now you can see the previews edit like this. Okay. And after this, in here you just click on the export at the top. In here you can export with a watermark, or you can export without watermark with a TikTok apps. I choose without a watermark with a TikTok app, so you just click on it, and after this you can waiting until the process has been finished. Now until the process finish, you can switch to your TikTok apps. You can go back. You can go back like this. Can quit. Go back, and you can open your gallery, and the video has been exported to your gallery. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.